You are not coming out. You've been bad. Why should I let you out? Because why? Don't interrupt me. Tom, stop interrupting me. You too, Pippin. You are not coming out, Tom. You've been bad. You're not coming out until tomorrow. And Pippin, if you don't want to join Tom in the basement, then I suggest you stop with your naughty behavior immediately. Because some people are very uncomfortable with your sex noises. Why should I let you out, Tom? As I was saying, Pippin, if you don't want to be in the basement with Tom for the rest of the night, then I suggest you stop with the sex noises immediately. Some people are very uncomfortable with that. Tom, you better get yourself comfortable. Because you are staying down in the basement tonight and you are not coming out until I get up. And listen, every time we let you in from outside or from the porch, you make the sex noises wanting sex. And we're very tired of it. You see Angel and Ghost over here, Pippin? Angel is in the crate, sleeping, and being a good boy. You don't hear him making any sex noises, do you? No, Tom. You've been bad. You've been bad. You have been bad. Yeah, you've been a naughty boy. Ghost and Angel, don't interrupt me. Ghost and Angel, don't interrupt me again, Tom. Stop interrupting me now. Stop. Stop it. Stop. Stop. No. 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 You are not coming out. Angel and Ghost are upstairs sleeping. And they are being good boys. Unlike you, Tom. You better get yourself comfortable down there, Tom. Because I'm not letting you out until I wake up. after what you've done to me last night, you deserve to be down there for what you did to Mom and me. And because of that, don't you interrupt me again. Because of you, Caitlin stayed up half of the night because of you. Me yelling at you. Yeah. Sorry, you are not coming out. Maybe if you learned not to make sex noises and learned that some people are very uncomfortable with that, and that people stop interrupting me. Stop interrupting me. Now. Maybe if you learned. Stop interrupting me, Tom. Now. Don't tell me no. Maybe if you learned to be considerate of other people and not make sex noises, well, no. Tom? No. 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 Stop giving me attitude and interrupting me. You're being a very naughty boy. Maybe if you learned to be considerate of other people and not make your sex noises when some people are uncomfortable with it, then maybe you won't be in the basement anymore.